Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix Spectrum 2.4 GHz not showing up. So let's get started and watch the video till the end and don't miss any important point. First, check if your Spectrum 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network is not showing up. Start by restarting your router or modem. You can unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back and wait a few minutes for it to reboot. If the problem still persists, check if your router is broadcasting the 2.4 GHz band separately. Many Spectrum routers use band steering, which combines both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz under one name. You have to separate them by logging into your router, then go to wireless option or advanced settings option and enable the 2.4 GHz band here with a unique name of your choice now. If it's still purchased, you can also adjust this using the My Spectrum application. Just go to the applications and tap on service option. Here select the internet and in internet you will see router settings option. Click here and go to the advanced settings page. Make sure the 2.4 GHz network is turned on. Now, if you are connecting a device that only supports 2.4 GHz like a smart plug or camera, try moving farther from the router to encourage a 2.4 GHz connection or temporarily disable the 5 GHz band to force the switch. If still that does not work, restart your router by holding the reset button on the back for about 10 seconds. Once it reboots, set up your network again using the app or web portal. If the 2.4 GHz band still does not appear, it may be hardware or firmware issue. In that case, contact Spectrum support at 1-855-707-7328 and ask them to confirm that your 2.4 GHz band is enabled and broadcasting properly. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.